Hello from Slovenia again. I will do a split cup pour today, and this is a 5-chamber split cup from paintpourstore.com. You can find the link and the discount code for 15% off in my description box down below this video. And I will use the colors that I used for my recent reverse flower dip that I really liked. So Amsterdam Prussian phthalo blue, DecoArt Extreme sheen silver, Maimeri Turquoise, DecoArt Extreme sheen Pewter, and I did add it Artist Loft metallic cobalt blue. So I will just pour paints into each chamber. This was my Prussian phthalo. I just hope that these extreme sheen paints will not take over, because they tend to, you know. Hopefully they will not. Ooh, this one is a little lumpy. And pewter. And the metallic cobalt. Okay. And I don't know, maybe I will do some rings or just straight pour. And as you can see, these cups has this holder. You can hold them like that, or you can just grab them, you know, like that, whatever it's like that, whatever it's more appropriate for you. So let's start. A little bad light from this angle. So let me stretch this a little bit. Want to go over the edge yet or something. back here. And because I want to keep more of that, I will just go like that. And to this corner. I know that you don't see a lot. Try to do it like that. I want to keep that blue and that corner back. Such a beautiful shimmer. Okay. I can always touch the sides later. I'm just now I will give it a gentle spin. Not too much. See, here I will add some color paint after. Maybe from my drips, or I will just add a solid color. I decide when I look at this what it would suit more, you know. Just want to cover these little holes here, not holes, little spots that I have, like, you know, here. But these parts I will probably add just a solid color of paint. I will see. How it will look like. See here where I have mostly, wow, I love this side. Mostly this metallic cobalt blue, I will add this one. So I decide afterwards. I'm just thinking to tilt a little more to this side. Just a little bit. No, I will leave it. Because I like this darker blue. Maybe just one more little spin. Okay. You just want to, you know, you just have to try to do the way that it would look like it was the part of the pour, not that you did that after. Oops. And I think that I'm okay now. Wow. Love the sides. The side is just beautiful with this dark phthalo blue. And it will be shiny, shiny. And now I will torch it, clean my table and take you down for a close-up. So here is a close-up. I love, love, love this. Try to show you the sides. Like this Prussian phthalo stripes here, and these effects with this kind of this turquoisey, Maimeri Turquoise. It's just a little different turquoise. It's also light, but with these colors together, I think that are just beautiful. And here is a metallic cobalt that it will shine too. So, and you see these feathery looking things, they are from DecoArt Extreme sheen paints. I will try to do a flyover, kind of how people do that. You probably see my reflection. I'm kind of not sure if I should maybe tilt this thing off too because of the composition, but I really like that dark blue, so I'm not sure. I'm afraid that I will regret then, so I will leave it like it is. See, in this way you can see more that this is light turquoise, this Maimeri one. So I really like that one. I like that color combination a lot. So tell me what you think about this one, and check the description below if you are interested in some 3D printed toys, cups, flower shaped cups, everything that you can buy in paintpourstore.com. And for the stir sticks and of course these little piggy pigments, you will find the link in the description too. What if I look at it this way? The same, something is just, but I'm afraid and I like this side, so I will just leave it like it is. So this is it for today, and see you on the next one. Bye!